Hello guys, welcome back for another amazing hair tutorial video. If this is your first time checking out one of my videos, hello and welcome. My name is Brett Ryan. I'm a blonde and corrective color specialist who resides in the real OC, Orange County, New York, in a wonderful town I grew up in called Warwick. Check out my video. I already have plenty more uploaded. If you like what you see, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, it's free to support. It's only a click away. I upload a new video every Tuesday called Transformation Tuesday, and I would love if you check out my rest of my videos. Quickly moving right into today's video, as you see, I mixed a lovely bowl of my newest favorite lightener, which is Wella Blondor in 20 volume. Blondie is Schwarzkopf's lightener and has been my right hand for the better half of 3 years. And if you've been following along in my journey, you'll know I love venturing out and trying new things every once in a while. A couple of months ago, I tried a new lightener twice a week, and after 7 different lighteners, I really liked Goldwell Oxycure. The consistency was wonderful since I am a consistency kind of hair colorist, and the lift was amazing as well, and I really love Goldwell. More pricier than average, but works so good, it's worth it. About 3 years ago, before I ever fell in love with Blonde Me, I tried Wella's Blondor and really loved it, but at the time I was a little bit more in love with Blonde Me. Well, however, 2.5 weeks ago, I decided to give Wella another try, and this is seriously my favorite lightener of the moment. My top 3 are Wella, Blonde Me, and Goldwell Oxycure. Wella has an amazing even lift. It lifts amazing. The consistency is right up my alley. And it feels like conditioner when I'm washing out the lightener off the hair. So many benefits. I love it. It's my favorite. It's my ride or die right now, and my clients love it as well. So today's main video topic is about my new technique I've added to my services under my blonding menu title. It's called the Sinful Headband. It consists of very detailed baby light foils that go around the whole entire hairline, which most of my true blonde lovers are obsessed with. I announced this on Instagram yesterday and received a lot of great feedback. I did tweak a couple of things already within its first 24 hours, but it totally benefits all of my clients. Alright, you can receive this Sinful Headband alone in between services for a starting price of $75. It includes everything all of my other blonding menu options include. However, when I announced it publicly on Instagram, it was posted that you can also receive it with a partial highlight, half highlight, and full highlight, but it would be an extra charge of $20. However, I changed that. If you want the more detailed Sinful Headband and you are getting a half highlight or full highlight, there is no extra charge, and it is not an option for a partial highlight. So now I have 6 things on my blonding menu: a partial highlight, half highlight, a full highlight, platinum card, teasy lights, videos of both of those are coming on the way, and my Sinful Headband. The hair industry is about artistry, and I am someone who loves tweaking and trying out new things. So as the footage rolls, you will see exactly what the headband consists of. My client Tasha is on her 3rd session of lightening, and we decided just to do a half baby light and do the new Sinful Headband as well to brighten her up around the face and hairline. So please continue watching as the footage rolls on. All the colored foils are the Sinful Headband, and my silver frame art foils are my half baby light.
Tonight was born to find mythical, so mystical, think what you like. You could be the sword, the shield, defender of the people down below. You know I fall for love. You know I fall for love. You know I fall for love. Be kind to those around you, don't be Perseus. fast. You could be the sword, the shield, defender of the people down below. You know I fall for love. You know I fall for love. You know I fall for love. To have your friends beside you like my Pegasus. Remember me, for my name is Perseus. My name is Perseus. My name is Perseus. My name is Perseus. Perseus.
My client Tasha has 2 prior videos with me. I did this so you guys could all see how going blonde in a healthy way takes patience and money. She started out with a reddish brown overlap faded box dye, and we did a full traditional highlight on her the first session because I didn't know how she was going to lift, and I wanted to get a better idea before I went in and did a million baby lights. The second session, we did a full tightly packed baby light with every dropout teased and painted, and now here we are. Her hair is a little dry but still pretty healthy. Everyone going blonde can expect a little dryness that just comes with blonde hair. She wanted her hair goal to be achieved by her daughter's wedding, which is in August next month, and we are very close, if not basically there.
Tonight was born to find mythical, so mystical, think what you like. You could be the sword, the shield, defender of the people down below. You know I fall for love. You know I fall for love. You know I fall for love. Be kind to those around you, don't be Perseus.
OMG, you guys, look at that hair. Better yet, look at that sinful hairline. You can now see how the smaller sections of hair, the better the lift. Those money pieces are white. Since Tasha wants to be blonde all the way over to her root and doesn't want a rooted look this time, I decided to go in and give her what I call a soft root, which is when I tap the root area with a color lighter than my client's natural. If you guys want a video of me going over all the root toning options I have, let me know in the comments down below. I would be extremely happy to do so. Since we are doing a soft root, we decided to use my favorite root toning color line ever, which is Joico Demi Liquid Lumishine 8NA. We let this process for 5 minutes only and then washed her out. And then we toned her all over with my favorite Redken Shades EQ, 9V, 9NB, 8WG, and 8T.
My name is Perseus. My name is Perseus. Perseus. tonight was born to fight.
One thing I love the most with the results from my headband money pieces is it's all up to you with how you want the final product to look. I decided to tap them slightly the last second before she processed. This keeps the money pieces bright but more realistic. If you wanted to not tap them at all, it's all up to you and your discretion.
You know I fall for love. Be kind to those around you, don't be merciless. Remember me, for my name is Perseus. Perseus. Tonight was born to fight. Mythical, so mystical, think what you like. You could be the sword, the shield, defender of the people down below. You know I fall for love. You know I fall for love. You know I fall for love. Be kind to those around you, don't be Perseus.
There you guys have it, another video. Now in the history books, Can you guys say blend? B-L-E-N-D with those baby lights? OMG, look at that hair. I hope you guys like my new Sinful Headband as well as this video. Please leave feedback down below in the comment section as well as video ideas you guys want to see. Remember, I'm here doing education for you guys, and I want you guys to see what you want to see. Of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next Tuesday, so long for now.
Friends beside you like my Pegasus.